MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban penurlong ya katong ban kentiu ya kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ya kajala Meghalaya baru kum kalat ban penyaso ya kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei bar kam ya kai sport katnat jong kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei kajala kalayo ban pelai ba ya kawei ka Lieng Chongbriu ka ba kamper ya ka balajer kerteng kum ka Meghalinor ya kani ka Meghalinor lawan ban pli pat kawei lama da menteri ramba kajala ukon rat ke sama akabala sekilaru do menteri katnat kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei uba poleng do u commissioner bar sekretari katnat kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei u Dr. Vijay Kumar DIS uba Cyril V Dingdo director katnat kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei jongka sorkar Meghalaya nalor kiwi-kiwi ki hek sorkar lai don laru hakani kasngi da kinoi lakai kingling bat kiwi-kiwi ki kunhon lakai sports jongka jela haka jingkran jong menteri ramba kajela ukurat ke sama ulap pau ya kajinon kam man penyeso kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei bagi kami lakai sports kumkowi kalat banwara karoi kapar kapakentup man kentiu ya kasap papong jong kun samla ula ongru bakum kini ki senjam omtang bahkan penyitinat susu kajela hakaliang ka kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ne ban kentiu ya kami lakai sports hendrei ka pliru ya kalat yo kam yo jam ya ki samla jong kajela haba keren cikilat patai kubor menteri katnak kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei uba poleng do ulap pau ya jingkmen jong baka sorkar jela kalala banwan sakmat ban sedang ya kam Meghalinor yach kaban kentiu ya katnat kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei haka jela baru ongru bakum ka sorkar kanangla banwan rak susu kum kini kiling hakani ka Pung Umïam ka baitenat bat sen ka sorkar kan sedang ru man penyat pat ya ka si cruise kaban nyam palat sispa saupo ne sispa sanpo ngut kibriu lengba kani ka Lieng Meghalinor lakmi lenti ban long kum garansan namenta ban Khring ya kinong Nongjngohkai Pyrthei nalor ki jeng kop ilakai haum kaban pelong susu ya ka Meghalaya kum ka caka ka Khring ya kam Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ki bayade bat kamariang
Pull it on this side, yeah. Pull it. Yeah.
Ini ka Meghalinor kedeka yacht kaba di aksin ka baningkong ka jala ki Nongjngohkai pat ki bakwa ban enjoy ya kedeka yacht ki yacht wan ya kedeka facility te kaba ni skotanat kum ka department kolong ba hadin bangila study ya kedeka lek ya kedeka Umïam lek ngilap lu ba borok ki biang lut kum kenuksa ka speed bat ka intensity ka velocity jong ka air ru ki kalong ka biang bha ka ba yarap ya ki sailor bat ki bakwa ban enjoy ka ka experience ha ka yacht ha baro lenter ki ayom ti nalor kata ka jinglong jingman jong ka lake ru kalong ka ba ya biang bha ki ka kena ka depth ki kena ka jingdon jong ka kilum ba jangam saudong but ka ni community ba kani kadang datang ka jingstang namar ha ka snem ka banwan lagu khatwei bana shubu ba shi snem lang ni ngin la ru ban introduce saya ka lake cruise ka ba nginyo ba ka capacity kan long ba shi spa sanpo mut ki brio tenga khat nga wer ki pa ba banwan ban ya shim banta ban enjoy kani ka yacht experience but kani ka lake ka ba la tip ru nangaru yak nam jongka kum ko ina ka ba itanat tam apo kari India ak perdai hi bro ko ke hap ha ya ki nong ki ba chong kani ka yacht dan e ka ba sir kalong ka ba shingan ba kalong ba save ba but kita de hakanu ka age group ru da kanu no gartaru kila ban enjoy kani ka yacht ka ba ni ai kum ka jingmana kalong ba ki kin pet ru ba ya kita ki safety norms mo ki safety norms kini bat ba khang ba kanum don ginu jingja ban susik pat kani ka wei nang tu ngin sa ship report ka demand na kinong pendon kam mo tala ka demand ka bun ngin don jing ban wara khabut tenrai ka bagi la khat ru benta kalau hini ki lieng ki bala khamrim ni kini ru ngin bujri no ngin wara lagi ba temang ti mereka ultimate experience hi si jong ki bawan chani kan long dang la don sa ka lake cruise ka ba chispa san po mut e capacity.
And this event is actually bringing the two of them together and allowing us to bring out more and having a final result that will have a much bigger impact than the individual verticals themselves. And hence today, whether it is tourism, whether it's sports, we have got great targets and goals and plans that we have in mind. And as we work towards achieving those goals, many programs are being done. And as I said, today's program is a great example of two verticals, which is sports and tourism coming together, which is again very important sector for us. And what actually combines all of this together is also the larger vision that we have for creating livelihood and employment and targeting the youth and keeping the youth in the center of what we do. Our decisions are revolved around what is good for our youngsters. And therefore, all of this entire program brings all of these points together for us. We are very keen to see that tourism sector will create larger employment for our children and for our youngsters. All of you know that Meghalaya is a very young state. Almost 50% of our population is below the age of 20. So therefore, it's a very important group. I keep telling people that it is the Gen Zs, Gen Alpha and the Gen Beta that makes up majority of Meghalaya. And hence, for us as a government, we need to really plan very well to be able to cater to the needs of this young generation, which is almost 18 lakh plus in terms of numbers. Set the foundations correctly for them to be able to then provide an opportunity in the years to come. And therefore, all of this planning is part of the thought process we have. Umïam, as you know, has been something that has not really reached its true potential when it comes to the development of tourism. And as you're aware, we are doing many things apart from the entire sailing and using the different water sports in Umïam. You are aware that we are developing and creating large infrastructure. So where we are right now, this and the section next to us, we will be developing this into most probably one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region. And we are planning to put up a very high-end resort out here. The process is already on. I think in about a month's time, we should have the developers on board. And hopefully in about 2 years to 3 years time, we should be seeing one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region and maybe one of the best in the country coming up right here in this zone that we are seeing in front of us, which will again, as I said, build up the overall value and experience and unlock the true potential that is there in this area of Umïam. And therefore, but while we do that, we realize that there are many activities that can be built around this. So all of these areas will be developed. All the entire, as I said, resorts will come up. There are private resorts on the other side that are being built. And many, as I said, activities will be coming up. We are working towards getting the seaplanes, taking off from here, hopefully going towards Kaziranga, creating a circuit between the top destinations of the Northeast, where a tourist from Mumbai does not have to plan that, a separate booking for Meghalaya, separate booking for Assam, separate booking for Arunachal Pradesh. How can we create that circuit where even the Northeast can be then promoted as one destination? And of course, Meghalaya will be a very important and integral part of that process.
MeghalayaPost.news